budget iPhone 9 or iPhone SE2 will be small and affordable. Rumor has it that Apple has begun production of a budget iPhone. Since 2016, iPhone SE has been Apple's first budget phone, and a new version called iPhone 9 or iPhone SE 2nd may be released this spring. Over the past year, various rumors have appeared about this device. That the phone will have a Face ID, that it will have a 4.7 screen, and maybe 5.4. Someone called it iPhone SE2, while others called it iPhone 9. Let's go back to 2016 and remember why the iPhone SE was such a hit. iPhone SE cost $399. Even 4 years ago, it was a fairly low price for Apple, given that the new iPhone 6s started at $649. Perhaps the biggest reason for the iPhone SE's success has been Apple's smart compromise. iPhone SE, unlike the iPhone 6 and 6s, did not have optical image stabilization. He also lacked a touch sensor. Nevertheless, it was a modern, productive smartphone with a decent feeling. SE could work on iOS 9, as well as the more expensive 6s and 6s Plus, and take quality pictures. Therefore, users were willing to sacrifice individual features to get a new model at a low price. Apple has not released the iPhone SE for almost a year and a half. At the same time, other manufacturers use the tried and tested recipe for a budget phone to create mass Android-based models. To make the new iPhone SE as attractive to customers as it did when it first launched, Apple needs an attractive price, small size and reasonable compromises. This means that the iPhone 9 should cost as much as the iPhone SE, $399. The new iPhone should be smaller than the current iPhone 11, so the 4.7 screen, like on the iPhone 8, or even 5.4, will be smaller than the 5.8 iPhone 11 Pro, which is the most compact today. Apple must also make balanced compromises, for example, add the A13 processor, but leave only one rear camera. What will be the new budget model of Apple? We will soon find out. So far, these are only rumors and forecasts.